Why is that, Charlie? Why are you spreading your wings, Charlie? Huh, buddy? You felt too much hot? It is too much hot outside. It's too hot, isn't it, Charlie? Back to normal now? Charlie? Are you back to normal, Charlie? Not yet? Still your wings are open, Charlie. What about Mittu boy? Not that open compared to Charlie. What about if I cuddle you? Good job. Is it alright, Charlie? It's too hot, isn't it? Sorry for that, Charlie. Mittu is alright. It's a bit cool down. Charlie is a little bit not hot. I mean, a little bit warm. Not that warm either, but because right now the AC is rolling, so they are pretty cool down now. The outside is sunny and it's too hot. It's around 38 degrees Celsius, which is not good for birds. That's why it's better to keep your birds inside, indoor. And if you have AC, make sure the AC is rolling. Isn't it, Charlie? Alright, Charlie. Say goodbye to our friends, Charlie. So when birds feel that hot, they usually take out their tongue and try to wet their mouth because they feel hot, and also they spread wings like the Charlie he was doing in the beginning of this video to cool down their temperature, their body temperature. But now, as soon as I put them under, in front of the AC, within 30 seconds they became alright. Actually, Mittu was alright anyway. He was not in trouble, but Charlie was a bit in trouble, I was feeling like. I just sent them outdoor to go to their cage so they can eat something. But after eating, they eagerly wanted to come inside. Now see, under the AC they are trying to sleep. Both birds. Mittu boy will sleep, but Charlie is nearly. Isn't it, Charlie? Because I'm recording, he's keep opening his eyes. It's alright, Charlie. You can sleep, buddy. You can sleep. All good? Thanks for watching this video, guys. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.